Struggling to create a manual journal in Zoho Books? Learn the exact steps to set up a vendor and record your entry in under 3 minutes. First, we'll create a vendor record. Then, we'll select the Accounts Payable account and upload your supporting documents. Let's dive in. Start by opening Zoho Books in your browser. Then, click on the plus icon to begin creating a new entry. From the drop-down, select Vendor. Now click on the First Name field to start entering details. Go ahead and type your first name and last name. Then enter your company name in the appropriate field. Choose your display name from the options. For example, click on Bobby AI to select it. Type in your phone number. If needed, type your company name again. Choose the currency for this vendor. For example, click on GBP, pound sterling. Click on Select an account and choose Accounts Payable. Then click on Accounts Payable to confirm. Click on Upload File and upload your documents. Click on Save to finish creating the vendor. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.